Hi guys, in this video we will see how to draw a line using line chain in Creo. Launch PTC Creo Parametric by run as administrator. It may take some time as these softwares are a bit heavy in processing. So this is PTC Creo Parametric. Close the Welcome to Creo window and maximize the Creo interface. Let's create a working directory from Home tab, Data panel, select Working Directory. To specify default folder for storage of drawing files, let be it on desktop with folder name Creo files, then click OK. Now let's begin to create a sketch file from Home tab, Data panel, New. Now select Sketch from type of module and specify a model name. Let's name it Sketch2, then click OK. So here is the Sketch module where different sketching tools are available. Let's begin our today activity of using line chain. From Sketch tab, Sketching panel, Line chain. First, we have to specify first endpoint of line in the drawing window using left mouse button. If the line is horizontal, move the cursor horizontally so that alphabet H appears with the line. Specify second endpoint of the line. Line moves beyond the second endpoint. Click scroll wheel twice to end the line. Now the dimension will appear with line. Here H indicates horizontal constraint. That means line is dependent on x-axis and horizontal. Now dimension the line by clicking left mouse button twice. Let's put it 10 units. Here in Creo, a line is drawn first, then dimensioning is organized. Yes, it works like that. Let's continue with inclined line. Identifying two endpoints randomly other than horizontal and vertical to avoid constraints. Just draw a center line at one endpoint from Sketch tab, Sketching panel and center line for line orientation by clicking left mouse button once for center line intersection at desired endpoint and select left mouse button click once for center line orientation. Let's make it horizontal. Now you see angle dimension of line is visible. For specifying linear dimension of line, click Sketch tab, Dimension panel, Normal and select the endpoints of inclined line. Now click mouse scroll wheel to specify dimension of inclined line. Let's put it 10 and press enter from keyboard. Now specify the angle, let's put 170 degrees. This is how we deal with inclined lines with specific length and orientation at some angle. Let's deal with final thing, that is vertical line. Now specify the two endpoints in vertical direction so that alphabet V comes with the line. Here V indicates line is dependent on y-axis, that is line is vertical. Now dimension the line, let's put its 10 units. This is how we can draw a line using line chain in Creo. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more videos.